smells. Hello, Year 2. I've been hearing that you are learning all about castles. And so today we're going to be learning a song about a castle. And this castle is very creepy. But before we start, let's warm up our voices. Have you brought your talking voice? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Have you brought your whispering voice? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Have you brought your robot voice? Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Have you brought your witch's voice? Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Have you brought your ghostly voice? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Have you brought your singing voice? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Have you brought your thinking voice? Well done. Did you remember your thinking voice? Great. Well, let's think back to our ghostly voice. You could call it a bit of a creepy voice. Let's all try and do a ghostly voice again. Bit scary. Well, our song is all about a castle, and this castle is a bit creepy. So there are all sorts of sounds. I want you to imagine that you're opening a door that you find in the castle, and it's a big wooden door, and it's very old, maybe hundreds of years old. And you turn the handle, and as you open the door, there's a creaking sound. And then we look inside. Ooh! What's that? Oh! There was nothing in there. Let's close the door again. So we're going to pretend that we're in the creepy castle. And I want you to think back to your ghostly voices that you're so good at. So should we try them now? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Do you notice how our voices are getting higher and then back down again, lower? Should we try it again? Ooh. Ooh. What about a very ghostly laugh? Can we try that? Ha, ha, ha. Can you try that again? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha, ha, ha. Ooh, we're beginning to get really, really creepy. The song is called Down at the Creepy Castle by Al Start. I'm going to go over the words for you. So it's down at the creepy castle. Nobody's ever home. Down at the creepy castle. You're scared to be alone. You never know. You never know. You never know. You never know. What is about to happen? Your heart begins to thump. What is about to happen when something makes you jump? And then the chorus, it gets a little bit brighter because you're going to be running away through the castle. And it goes like this. Run away, there's a ghost behind me. Hide in here and it might not find me. Run away as fast as lightning because it's so frightening. And then the second verse, I look through a tiny keyhole, too terrified to speak. I look through a tiny keyhole, but something starts to creak. It sounds a bit like that door we were talking about. And so in that verse, you're hiding in maybe a cupboard somewhere in the castle, and you're looking through the keyhole to see what's happening. Okay, let's all head off to the creepy castle. But we don't have to be scared because we'll all be there together. Mrs. Soton, Mrs. Woolley and me. And if we get really scared, we can just hold hands. Okay, shall we try the song? Now there's a few parts where you need to do some actions. There's a shh at the introduction. Then there's a bit where it's you never know. And so you're going to be looking around as if you're wandering through the castle and you're thinking, oh, is there a ghost somewhere? So you're going to say, you never know, you never know. So you look around. Then there's a bit where you're going to have to do a bit of like something scared you. So you're going to do, when you sing the song, remember some of those actions, but also when you're doing the verses down at the creepy castle, you can sing in a sort of a creepy, scared, whispery voice. And then when you come to the chorus, you're going to sing a bit louder because you're running away. On that last verse, when you look through the tiny keyhole, if you close one eye and then put your fingers over the other eye, you can look through as if it's a tiny keyhole because you're hiding and you're trying to see if you can get out and get away. And don't forget the very end where you close that door after you and you make that really creaking sound. And we've got out. So we're off to the creepy castle. Shh. Shh. Down at the creepy castle, nobody's ever home. Down at the creepy castle, you're scared to be alone. You never know, you never know, you never know, you never know what is about to happen. Your heart begins to thump. What is about to happen when something makes you jump? Run away, there's a ghost behind me. Hide in here, it might not find me. Run away as fast as lightning because it's so frightening. Shh. I look through a tiny keyhole, too terrified to speak. I look through a tiny keyhole, but something starts to creak. Run away, there's a ghost behind me. Hide in here, it might not find me. Run away as fast as lightning because it's so frightening. Close the door behind you. Well, Year 2, I hope you enjoyed our creepy castle song. I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.